Hi everyone, it's Miss Kelly, and today I'm going to be talking to you about Khan Academy. Khan Academy is a resource that both students and parents can use to go through different subjects and test out their skills on it. So for courses, what you do is you go up to the top left where it says courses, and this is a list of all the courses that you can choose from. So it doesn't have to be just math. You can do English, you can do art stuff, you can do specific grades, whichever you prefer. So for right now, for my example, I'm going to be using second grade math. And something that's very cool is they first start off with a course challenge. And that's basically going through a whole bunch of different questions where you can go and you can show them how much you know. So if you already know it, they'll already mark you down as knowing that skill. So that way you don't have to work on it anymore if you already know it. Another cool thing is the mastery challenge. So all of these skills have mastery points. So in order to master the skill, you have to get that amount of points. So with the mastery challenge, they'll bring up different skills. And once you're tested on those skills, if you get it right, you'll get more mastery points. If you get it wrong, you'll have a chance to redeem yourself and you get to do it again, but you won't get any points. And if you just get it completely wrong or you skip over it, then you'll lose points. And that means you'll have to spend more time on it. So one of the biggest things here is that it has a very simple and easy way to see how far along you've gotten in the course you're taking. So over on the left, it tells you about the mastery point and how many you've gotten. And it also tells you how many points you've gotten from each skill. And you can go within each topic and you can pick out a specific skill. So if you know that you're not specifically good with even and odd numbers, then you can go in and do that instead of just doing overall place value if you know that you're pretty confident on everything else. And then at the end, if you are able to get through all this, they'll give you a badge for completing it all.